So guys, we can access both superclass properties as well as subclass properties in subclass through subclass name or subclass object reference. Subclass object reference. So how can I able to access new file? Let me get the class called class X. Small names. Okay, leave it. Have with me. So X. So let me use the reference name called A345. So def m1. Let me pass a reference name called itself, and let me print here. So m1 of X class. m1 of X class, right? Let me create one more class Y. So C or take B, initialize with the 789. Let me create the constructor. So in it, I have to pass here self. Now self dot d, initialize with the give the value called 126, and I need the method called m2. So pass the parameter called self current class reference print, and here I'm m2 of y class. m2 of y class. So here AGP 7th day. So subclass inheritance 2. Okay, fine. Now I want to access those properties to the outside now. Last time we did it with the self within the class. Within the class, I want to access outside. Okay, outside. So how do I able to access outside now? So print. I want to access A. I want to access A. Virtually this A and M1 will be available in Y class. Virtually the attributes or properties or methods of a X class, superclass. Now here I haven't made here. Look at here. If you observe here, I haven't made subclass. So what I have to do here? Now I made X is a superclass for Y subclass. Y as a subclass. Here I made now. Now if you observe here, this method M and static variable called A will be available virtually to my Y class. Virtually. So virtually A comma M1 of X class will be available in Y class, because Y is a subclass of X, right? So knowingly, unknowingly, either you mention here or don't mention, it is here object. It is object, right? Either you mention or don't mention, right? Now I want to access this A. So how to access Y dot A? Y dot A, right? I want to access. So a printer. I want to access C. Y dot C. Y dot C. Now I want to access M1 and M2. M1 and M2. So outside of the class, I want to access instance properties. How do I access outside? By using instance attributes, instance methods. How do I access object name, object reference name, right? So I have to create the object reference name, like I created TT or obj of y, obj of y. So obj dot, I can call m1, obj dot y, obj dot, I can call m2. Can I call or not? Yes, I can call, right? Obj is the object reference of Y class. So M1 is also available in Y class, virtually available, right? Right? C is not there, right? So I made here B, right? What should I do here? B. What should I do here? B. Now I want to access D. I want to access D. Printer, how do I access now? Obj dot D. Obj dot D, right? Now run your program. Run. Save your program. Now you can see here 3, 4, 5 from class X of A. Now next 7, 8, 9 from subclass called Y. Attribute B. M1 from class X, M2 from class Y, and 1 to 6 from class Y of D. Right? I can access outside also. Can I access outside also? Yes, we can access. Back. Let me have one more example on this.